डूबे लोग प्यार के रंग में। सबसे पहले बात शिकागो में आयोजित जनरल वीके सिंह की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की, जिसके दौरान वीके सिंह ने इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स पर चर्चा करने के साथ ही ये भी बताया कि प्रवासी भारतीय कितना अहम किरदार निभा सकते हैं भारत के आगामी चुनावों में।
भारत देश में राजनीति और राजनीतिकार का चेहरा बदल रहा है। कई नए परिवर्तन आ रहे हैं। लोग एक बेहतर नेता सूझबूझ के साथ चुन रहे हैं। भारत देश की करंट पॉलिटिक्स को लेकर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस विद जनरल वीके सिंह का आयोजन शिकागो में किया गया, जहां लोगों को मौका मिला वीके सिंह से रूबरू होने का।
Today in most of the media is, do you support Rahul Gandhi or do you support Narendra Modi? I think that is unwarranted. Why? Because let's look at what is good for the country. It is not individual. It is a system. What system will come up which will be good for country?
भारत देश किस तरह तरक्की की राह पर चल सके और डायस्पोरा आगामी चुनावों के लिए कितना महत्व रखती है, इन मुद्दों पर जनरल वीके सिंह ने टीवी एशिया से खास बातचीत की।
Diaspora has a very important link to the country, and the reason is very simple. They are from there, and the very fact that with their hard work they have made a niche for themselves in a different country, they still feel concerned as to how things are back home. They've got a very important role, and that important role is not to get carried away by the media, which unfortunately back home a large part of it is paid now. People have got their own parcels cut out from the various parties, and the whole thing is given out that way. The diaspora out here can be inquisitive, can be discerning, can find out what exactly is happening, and accordingly utilize their influence to pass on the word correctly.
इस आयोजन के दौरान जनरल वीके सिंह ने कई और विषयों पर भी चर्चा की।
We formed Jantantra Morcha to bring in grassroots democracy. A lot of things which AAP is saying now is from the program that we had started. In fact, those points are part of our vision to bring in betterment in governance and democracy in India. We don't have a very large organization, but when we went around doing our yatra, we have about 50,000 odd people who connected to us. Now these are our volunteers, and they are the ones who are now going around, because one of the aims was to get the Lokpal bill passed. That has been passed. Now the Jantantra Morcha is free to move laterally into areas where we can make a difference in 2014 elections. So we are looking at it from that point of view. We are also looking at Annaji supporting candidates who will be called people's candidates. And we are hoping that these 10, 15, 20 who are picked up, they would be supported by other parties too, and they will not contest them.
सरकार से लोग यही चाहते हैं कि वो लोगों के बारे में सोचे, उनके आंसू पोंछे, महंगाई पर लगाम लगाए, दुखों का अंत करे और देश को करप्शन मुक्त बनाए।
बहुत कुछ बाकी है। छोटी सी